In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT 4.0 for comics, with consistent characters and multi-style storytelling. If you're interested in creating comics with AI, one of the biggest challenges is keeping your characters looking consistent from one panel to the next. In this tutorial, I'll show you a simple workflow for using ChatGPT 4.0 to generate comics with the same character across multiple panels and even across different artistic styles. This approach is useful for comic strips, visual storytelling, social media content, or anyone looking to build a recognizable cast of characters. To get started, open ChatGPT and look for the plus button. From there, choose the Create Image option to begin generating your comic artwork. Once the image creation interface is open, click inside the prompt box and start by writing a detailed description of your main character. For example, you can describe the character's age, hairstyle, clothing, and personality. A prompt such as, create a comic character, 18-year-old boy, black hair, hoodie, confident personality, provides enough information to establish a clear visual identity. The more specific your description is, the easier it becomes for ChatGPT to maintain a similar appearance throughout your comic. After describing your character, include an instruction asking ChatGPT to keep the appearance consistent. Then continue your prompt by requesting a 4-panel comic story featuring the same character along with dialogue. This tells the AI that you're looking for a complete comic sequence rather than a single illustration, allowing the story to unfold naturally across multiple panels. Once your prompt is complete, generate the comic and review the results. If you'd like to explore a different visual style while keeping the same character, simply expand your prompt with an instruction such as, use the same character in anime style. This allows ChatGPT to reinterpret the artwork while preserving the character's core design, making it easier to create a consistent character across multiple artistic styles. After submitting the updated prompt, wait for the new images to be generated. If the results aren't exactly what you had in mind, refine your prompt by adding more details about facial expressions, emotions, action poses, backgrounds, or the overall mood of each panel. Small adjustments can make a significant difference in the final output. A helpful practice is to keep a master description of your character saved for future projects. Reusing the same description each time helps maintain consistency across new comic pages, additional scenes, and different visual styles, especially if you're creating an ongoing series. To recap, open ChatGPT, choose Create Image, define your character with detailed descriptions, request a consistent appearance, generate a 4-panel comic with dialogue, and then reuse the same character in another artistic style to create a fresh visual interpretation while maintaining continuity. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,